How to delete multiple apps on Android. This tutorial shows you a quick way to remove several apps at once without deleting them one by one. First, open the Settings app on your Android device. From there, scroll down and tap Apps. After that, look for an Edit or Manage icon at the top of the screen. On most devices, this appears as a pencil or three-dot menu. Following this, tap it to enter multi-select mode. At this point, tap the checkbox next to each app you want to remove. You can select as many as you'd like before confirming anything. Once you've selected all the apps, tap Uninstall at the bottom of the screen. From here, a confirmation box will pop up listing all the apps you've chosen. Review the list carefully, then tap OK to confirm and remove them all at once. Keep in mind, some pre-installed system apps can't be uninstalled this way. Those will show a disable option instead of uninstall. That's how you delete multiple apps on Android in one go. If this helped, drop a like, subscribe.